time for me to wind down for bed. This is gonna be my nighttime skincare routine after I do makeup. Skin routine is different at different points, but when I do my makeup, this is what I do. So let me go put on some sleep clothes. I will be back. Right, I'm back with my night clothes on. You kind of see the makeup on there, but don't worry. My hair is tied up. I did the sock method. If you want to go ahead and see how I did my heatless curls, it'll be in another video and I'll have it linked. So this is my makeup look. The first step you want to grab your makeup remover. These are green tea calm and moisturizing makeup removers that are Korean. I got them from Marshalls. It came in a pack of 3. I love this because it uses natural based products. It's biodegradable, also is fragrance free. And I'm not gonna just wipe that off. Wipe that off. You're gonna take this makeup wipe. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna wipe away. You to the side and then wiping to the side. I'm gonna wipe around. Wipe my chin. I like to just use one first and then go in like for a deeper one and then a final one. Ooh, last time I ripped out my nose ring. So if you have a nose ring, just be careful. Stressing about where I got my nose ring from is also gonna be linked below. And I'm gonna wipe my eye. You wanna take your time with that as well. And you just want to wipe every single layer. You don't want to leave anywhere unmarked. Look at this. And look at this. It's crazy. One more makeup wipe. I like to continue wiping until I see very, very faint makeup or no makeup at all. Honestly, get like in the hairs. I am like a germaphobe. Get in my hairline too. I'm prone to getting like a pimple over here, like in the weirdest spots. In my eye, you want to make it as easy as possible because you don't want to strip your skin too much. And I'm just wiping in my brows because baby, brow pimples are no joke. This is a second makeup wipe. Now that that is done, get your witch hazel. I use the Humphreys witch hazel. Sometimes I use the regular liquid ones. This time I'm gonna just go ahead and use the pad. This pad, it's nice and it gives a light exfoliation to pick up any dirt, any dead cells, any leftover makeup, but it's also gonna tone your skin and help remove any irritation that you might have gotten from the makeup. I like to do this before I wash. My washing to be the last final step, and I'm just rubbing. I'm trying not to rub too hard. So now that I did that, go ahead and wash my face. Wash with Cetaphil fragrance free soap. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back and my skin is washed. As you can see, I didn't dry off my face. It's going to help your skin absorb. Your skin needs hydration and your skin needs water. Leave the water on my skin because it just creates a great base for my products to just soak into my skin and make it plump. Start with my toner. It's the Juju Cica Toner. Just put this in my hand and I'm basically like using a lot. I can really do. I just rub that into my skin. Now I'm just patting it. Now I'm gonna go in with my mask. Vitamin solution mask. This is Korean based. Also place these inside of the fridge and create a nice cooling effect. It can take away any redness and put the under eye mask first and place this underneath my eye. I make sure that the skin is still a bit of toner. Rolling this up a little bit, but put it directly on my cheeks because my cheeks are really sensitive. I'm gonna take the mask out of see the product just laying on. Lay this on my skin. It's nice and cold. Oh, it feels so good. You need your mask and under eye stuff in the fridge and do that. See, my forehead is a little big, so I'm just taking all that extra product and putting it up there so it can sit perfectly. And you want to bring this underneath the chin. I'm gonna rub all the final stuff like onto your ear, onto the excess places that are showing here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it just a little bit. Just flap down. Go ahead and sit for 15 minutes. Be back. Now I'm back. I'm about to take off this mask, put it into my skin. I love this mask so much because it is a mask that you don't have to wash it off. You're not supposed to. You're just supposed to leave the remaining on your skin. I'm gonna peel it upwards. How like glowy my skin looks. As you can see, like even the mask that I use, the eye mask, totally tightened my under eye. The all-in-one, and take all of that and I'm gonna put it right on my skin. Taking it and I'm putting it on my skin. I'm gonna go on top with the Snail Mucin. I'm gonna just go ahead and lightly place a coat on top. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nivea Hemp lip care. I'll go ahead and put that on my lips. This is my skin. Look at how good it looks. I had to turn down the light so you can see how glowy it is. It's so good. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. This is my skincare routine for after I do my makeup. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.